Monster zucchini harvest. You wouldn't believe the size of this one. Wait until you see how big this zucchini got. The zucchini turned into a garden beast. I let it grow just to see how big it could get. And wow, it didn't disappoint. Unfortunately, we have to harvest it today because the stem snapped and we're just gonna harvest it. So we have a smaller one on the side and we have the monster right here. So I'll cut the smaller one first so that we can easily cut the monster. So this one is a smaller one. We're gonna eat that. And this one, we're still trying to stay tuned to find out what we do with it. This garden share is awesome. This is one of the best investments you can do in the garden where you can have a tool that does very well. So check the link below for garden share like this and other tools that I use in the garden. So look at that. Look at the size of that zucchini. That's a monster. That's the biggest zucchini I've ever seen and I've ever grown. So like I said, stay tuned. We're gonna decide what we're gonna do and I'm gonna show you what we do with the zucchini in the next video. Comment below. What do you think about the zucchini? Have you seen or grown a zucchini this large? What did you do with it? Let's weigh this monster zucchini. Look at that. That's about 5.12 pounds. 5.12 pounds of zucchini. That is huge. This one is nearly the size of my leg. What would you do with it? Eat it, compost it, or save the seeds? Either way, it's officially the monster of my garden. Follow for more garden surprise and harvest moments.